Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add baggage in Agoda. The first step I'd like you to take is to open your web browser and navigate to www.agoda.com. Click on the sign in button in the top right corner and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, go ahead and click on your profile name at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be provided with a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and select bookings. This will take you to a page listing all your current and past bookings. In the My Booking section, you'll see tabs for upcoming, completed, and cancelled bookings. Under the upcoming tab, go ahead and find the flight booking to which you want to add the baggage. Click on your flight booking to view its details. In the details page, you will find the airline booking reference or PNR, which is otherwise known as the passenger name record. This reference is essential for managing your booking directly with the airline. Once you do that, open a new tab in your browser and go to the official website of the airline operating your flight. For example, if you're flying with Cebu Pacific, navigate to www.cebupacificair.com. On the airline's homepage, look for an option like Manage Booking, My Trips, or Manage My Booking. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your airline booking reference and last name to retrieve your booking. Once your booking details are displayed, look for an option to add baggage or purchase baggage allowance. Select the desired baggage options such as the number of bags and weight allowances and proceed to payment. Now follow the prompts to complete the payment for your additional baggage. Ensure you receive a confirmation email or receipt for your records. After payment, you should receive a confirmation email from the airline detailing your updated baggage allowance. I'd like you to note that it's a good practice to print or save this confirmation for check-in. It's advisable to add baggage well in advance of your flight to avoid higher fees at the airport. Baggage policies and fees vary between airlines. Always review the specific airline's baggage policy before making changes. And of course, if you encounter issues or need assistance, contact Agoda's customer support for help. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you, sir.